18. Vaccination. When I was a young man before World War II, an elderly pastor told me sorry days lay ahead for the church. Most people in church wanted as little religion as needed to get by and get to heaven, he said. He described the church members he saw soon predominating as vaccinated. He referred to the then common smallpox vaccination, a small dose of the real thing to immunize one against the reality. Church people wanted, and were getting, he said, a small dose of Christianity to immunize themselves against the Lord and his total claims. He referred me to 2 Timothy 3:5, where St. Paul declares that some people can be described as, quote, having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. From such turn away. Our God makes a total claim on our lives, and on our money too. He requires that our children be given to him also. How do we respond to him? Are we rich towards ourselves and poor towards God? Do we have time for everything except his word? Do we want him only when we need him? If we do not have the power of God in our lives, it's because we are denying it. It may well be that we do not want God to interfere too much with our lifestyle. The mere form of godliness will get us no further with the Lord than an invitation airline ticket will get us a flight. Serve the Lord with all your heart, mind, and being, with your life, your money, and your family. Go for the power.